Chapter 9: Proofreading, Editing, Grammar, and Quality Issues on Amazon KDP. Publishing a book on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) is more than just writing and uploading your manuscript. It involves meticulous proofreading, editing, and ensuring proper grammar to maintain high-quality standards. This chapter will guide you through these crucial steps. Proofreading. Proofreading is the process of reviewing the final draft of a piece of writing to ensure consistency and accuracy in grammar, spelling, punctuation, and formatting. Here are some tips. Read aloud. Reading your text aloud can help you catch errors that you might overlook when reading silently. Take breaks. Regular breaks can prevent fatigue and help you maintain focus, allowing you to spot errors more easily. Check formatting. Ensure that the formatting is consistent throughout the book. I highly recommend the book Self-Publishing Your Book on Amazon KDP, The KDP Formula by Saurav Das. This comprehensive guide covers everything from writing and formatting your book to navigating Amazon's marketplace for maximum profit. It reveals the secrets of self-publishing, helping you master book marketing and generate income. Designed to transform writers into published authors, it makes the process both feasible and economical. Save resources, reach readers worldwide, and start your authorial journey today with this tactical roadmap. Get your copy now before it is too late. This investment will be a boon for a lifetime. Join me for a one-on-one coaching session on the entire self-publishing process on Amazon KDP. In these personalized sessions, you will learn everything from writing and formatting your book to mastering marketing strategies and maximizing your profits. Your one-time investment will provide maximum benefits, helping you become a successful author and manage the self-publishing process independently. You will gain hands-on experience and practical tips tailored to your unique needs. Reach us at blazegoodburst.com, email us or WhatsApp us. All information is in the description below. Editing. Editing involves making revisions and suggestions about the content of a piece of writing. It includes improving the clarity of language, reorganizing text, and making sure the text adheres to the chosen style guide. Remember, be clear and concise. Remove unnecessary words or phrases. Make sure your sentences are clear and straightforward. Maintain consistency. Ensure that the tone, tense, and point of view remain consistent throughout your book. Grammar. Proper grammar is essential for maintaining the quality and readability of your book. Tools like Grammarly or ProWritingAid can help you spot and correct grammatical errors. However, nothing beats a thorough manual check. Quality issues. on Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP has strict quality control guidelines. Books that contain too many errors, have poor formatting, or are difficult to read can be flagged. If a book is flagged, notification. Amazon will notify you about the issues. Correction period. You will be given a period to correct the issues. Potential removal. If the issues are not corrected within the given period, Amazon may remove the book from the Kindle store. Proofreading, editing, and grammar are crucial steps in the self-publishing process on Amazon KDP. They ensure that your book meets high-quality standards, providing a smooth and enjoyable reading experience for your audience. Remember, your book is a reflection of you as an author, so make every word count. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. In the next chapter, we will delve into the concept of formatting your book for Amazon KDP. So stay tuned and stay subscribed. If you are an author and want to be a guest on the Blaze Goldburst Show's video podcast for an author interview, use the contact form in the link in the description below. To be eligible, you must subscribe to the channel and send us your book blurb and book link. We are selecting 100 authors who deserve to be featured. Check it out now. For more information, visit blazegoldburst.com. Email us at blazegoldburst.services@gmail.com or WhatsApp us at +91 8847 889597. Join us and share your story with a wider audience. If you prefer to avoid the hassle of self-publishing, we have got you covered. Reach out to us anytime and we will handle everything for you. From formatting your manuscript into an ebook, paperback, and hardcover to publishing it on Amazon KDP. We take care of every detail. Our team of experts ensures your book meets all the necessary standards and stands out in the marketplace. You won't need to worry about any aspect of the process. We are here to support you every step of the way. Whether it's designing an eye-catching cover, optimizing your book's metadata for better discoverability, or setting up your author profile, we have got it all covered. Let us be your dedicated supporter on this journey to becoming a published author. Visit us at blazegoldburst.com to get started. Your dream of seeing your book in the hands of readers worldwide is just a click away.